Hi, I'm Phyllis and my website is southernfrugal.com. Today we're going to make a stovetop meal for two, and it's going to have some different ingredients in it. So let's get started with this. I think we can make this in about 30 minutes. Alright, so we have got about 3 tablespoons of butter melted in our skillet, and we've got it on just a notch above medium heat. And this is 5 of the chicken tenders, and this is the Purdue chicken tenders, which I love, with no antibiotics and all that stuff. So we're going to brown those a little bit in the butter. They're actually still, there's the slightest bit still frozen. And by the way, I got these at Walmart, which really shocked me because I really didn't think Walmart would ever sell Purdue chicken. But at least these are, they're Purdue, spelled P-E-R-D-U-E, I think. Alright, so we're just going to brown those. And as soon as I turn them over, I'm going to add, this is 2 stalks of celery, including the leaves. So I took a couple of stalks of the inner part of the celery. Actually, I had it left from something else. But anyway, and got these nice leaves plus the 2 celery stalks. And so we're going to add that as soon as I flip the chicken over. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, so we've got a little bit of color on the chicken now, and I'm going to add the celery. And of course, cooking it like this with the butter is going to get a real intense butter taste. So we're just going to put that celery in. Spread it around. Cook just a minute like that. See if we're getting brown. We're getting a little bit brown on the other side. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead now and back y'all up so you can see this. Alright, so we're going to use a can of Cream of Celery soup. And this is the condensed soup, by the way. And I'm going to add just a half a cup of water to that. Oop. So I can get that out of the pan. There we go. Very good. Alright, so we're going to add a half a cup of water to the cream of celery soup. I'm just going to mix that up a little bit. Now we got dogs in the kitchen looking at the kittens. Right. Take a look at that chicken. Now the chicken is not completely done right now, but it's going to finish cooking, and it will also cook that celery. So we're going to just go ahead and pour that in right over that chicken. I might add a little bit more water. Don't want it that thick. And we're going to let this simmer for a little while. After that, we're going to add, this is a 4-ounce bottle of, let's see, I think that's Dromedary Diced Pimentos. The 4-ounce bottle, I did drain this a little bit earlier. So let's see if we can get all this out. So this is going to sort of be like smothered chicken, except we're going to add a final ingredient to that. And I'm going to go ahead and add another half cup water. Because I want this to simmer for maybe about 20 minutes, and I'm not going to put the lid on it. so a lot of this water will evaporate. Okay, y'all, I'm recording over here. They're barking at the kittens because the kittens are asleep and they want them to wake up. Yeah. All right. I'll put the lid on. We're going to let that simmer about maybe 20 minutes, just on a low simmer. And we'll be back. Maybe I'll give y'all a little clip of the little kittens. They've been playing all morning long. We'll be back. They're barking at the kittens because they're trying to get them to wake up. But the kittens have played for, I think, about 3.5 hours this morning, tussling around in the kitchen and all that. Sonny, you want the kittens to wake up? That's what you want, huh? Yeah, Steely wants them to wake up too and come out and play with them. But we're not going to come out right now. All right, we'll see y'all in a few minutes when this meal is just about ready. All right, we are back and we are going to add what's going to be probably 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Now, you won't be able to tell it's nutmeg, but it just enhances the taste. Just going to sprinkle it in, and about 1/4 of a teaspoon is probably what will work. You will not know it's there, but it's going to add a different little taste to it. Let's stir that around a little bit. And of course, the chicken is completely done now, and so is the celery. So this has been simmering for, well, it's kind of a fast simmer, really, for about 15 minutes. All right. Now, on top of this, we're going to add, this is organic baby spinach, and it's about 3 big handfuls. And I did kind of go through and break all the big stems off. So we're just going to put that right on top. And I did wash it again, even though this is already washed, they say. I always wash it again. This will be softened up in about 5 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and get the iced tea and the plates and everything out. So we'll be back. We've already got the rice cooked. Yeah. All right, we'll be back and show you what it looks like on the plates. Uh-oh, sorry. I ought to come back and show you when this wilts down a little bit too, so maybe we'll do that. All right, the baby spinach has all wilted down now. I've got my burner turned off. I'm just going to mix this up a little bit. Get that spinach right down in the chicken. All right, going to go ahead and take it off the burner now, because you don't want that baby spinach overcooked. And I'm going to just, let me show you, I'm just going to have the lid only slightly on it, let it cool down pretty quick so it doesn't cook anymore. All right, y'all, we'll be back and show you what it looks like on the plate. All right, here's the meal on the plate. We've each got 3 chicken tenders, and of course we've got this over rice. This is jasmine rice. Got a hard roll. And dessert is orange jello with cottage cheese, and we didn't have much left, so I sliced a banana to go in there. And of course we've got our iced tea. So we are ready to eat, y'all. And again, if you don't like nutmeg, you can certainly leave out the nutmeg. If you don't like celery, you might want to try another dish, because this has got a lot of celery in it. And anyway, it's 3 chicken tenders, and this is the Purdue chicken, which is no antibiotics and all that stuff. So, all right, y'all, we will see y'all next time. Bye for now.